Hey folks, David here with The Real Meat Stick, and today we've got an unboxing of Meat's 10.5-inch slicer. Let's get to it. Let me tell you, following the COVID lockdown, accessibility of groceries, prices going up, now's a great time to get out there, get yourself some of this technology, just save on deli meats at home and the cheeses. That's why I went ahead and did this. With all the costs going up, making an investment in your own family, you're not being cheap, you're being frugal. Let's see what we got here. Typical to Meat, everything's double boxed. Let's work harder, and rather, let's work smarter instead of harder. Let's get this out. And now I got no use for this guy. Making quite the pile today. Here it is. MadeWithMeat.com. Oh, and don't forget, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll have these videos out there on YouTube and Rumble. I'm probably going to put some stuff up there on Instagram and Facebook. We've got ourselves a Twitter account now as well. I don't know if I'm missing anything else, but please, put some comments down below. Let me know what else I could do, what videos to shoot. I'm awfully new to this. It's the first time having social media. It's the first time shooting videos. And I appreciate the positivity. I don't need any more negative comments. Let's see what we got here. Well, first off, we've got the instruction booklet telling us that there's a 10-inch meat slicer in the box. Oh, by the way, this 10-inch meat slicer comes equipped with a stainless steel blade and adjustable thickness slicing, so you can always get the perfect cut out of any meat. There's a 150 watt motor on here, stainless steel blade, adjustable slicing thickness, and adjustable rubber feet. Just moving the box around, feels like it's somewhere between 30 to 40 pounds. I'm going to say about 35. But let's take a look at it. I have no use for this guy. This looks like a guard that's going to go on there. Well, we'll take a look at that next. There's a screw in the bag, so it's definitely going to have to be attached. Wow, this is nice. I can tell where this plastic guard is going. Already I can see that there's two holes here for the screws. And hopefully we didn't lose any of them in the bag. This is definitely going to come into use. You know what else is another nice feature? Is that it comes with its own sharpener. Well, we'll have to figure out how and where that's going to go afterwards. Oh, there we go. Just that spins right around. And then when it's time for sharpening, you've got one sharpening wheel on the front and another one on the back. And they're push button actuated. But for now, I don't think we're going to need it. That's for adjusting the size of our slices. I should bring the camera in a little bit closer, give you a better look. Of course, this is going to have to be cleaned down as well, like everything else that comes fresh out of the box. Has little pieces of styrofoam all over it. This really does remind me of the slicers that we see in our grocery stores, corner delis. This is super nice. I can see that as we're making a lot of our dried meats and smoked sausages, this will definitely come into play when we're making our own smoked and roasted turkey breast, our own roast beefs, and even our cheeses. You know, with a 6-year-old in the house and a 15-month-old, the kids are always eating deli meats, always eating roll-ups. This is going to come into play. And at least I'm always going to know what the quality of the meat is that they have, what chemicals went into it, if any. So we're always going to have that advantage of having the best cuts of meat, the best chicken, and the best cheeses possible. And that's something that people pay a huge expense for when they go to their specialty grocery stores, especially if you live in Manhattan or LA or large cities where, say, like even Austin, Texas, where they love their organic food. They want their farm to table. Being here in Pennsylvania, I'm very fortunate to have so many farms around me and be able to go directly to the farmers, directly to the ranchers to get the best meats. I'm also very close to the Hunts Point Meat Market in the Bronx, so I can get the best prime beef and Wagyu and Japanese beef like Kobe, meats that are coming out of Australia. So I'm definitely fortunate to be in the right city in the Northeast and have so much available to myself and my family and to friends when they come by. I'm going to say this thing definitely weighs a good 35, 36 pounds. It's about 20 inches in length, probably about, I don't know, 16 inches in width, maybe 18 inches, 16 inches in height. I really like this. This is super nice. Well, folks, that's going to complete all of our unboxing for today. We've got a 50-pound meat grinder. Got ourselves the 1.5 horsepower grinder. The 10-inch slicer. 40-pound analog scale. Got the waxed leather knife roll-up. The 6 knives. 15-pound sausage press. Meat really does put out a great product, cutting out the wholesaler, going directly to the consumers, packaging it up real nice, everything stainless steel, heavy, and with a lifetime guarantee on just about all these products. So I see myself with years of enjoyment and opportunities to feed the family, to feed friends, and who knows what else is going to bring us. I'll see you in the next video.